Another video.
I would not try to steal from other life forms.
Yes, I know that. But if you take things without permission, that's stealing.
Well, I am surrendering. Why are you
Achoo!
not trusting me?
Well, because we don't know if you were telling the truth
Achoo!
to us.
Achoo!
Finally, I will prove it to you. That I
Achoo!
really, truly surrender.
Achoo!
If you do not believe me, then you can attack me. And you will see that I will not fight you back. Now, I will be completely defenseless, so no one attack me.
Achoo!
Me. You asked us to attack you, Taff. You didn't really have to do that. Yes, I had to. He's so annoying. What a terrible fate this is I'm facing. However, I will not fight back. Just keep quiet. Taff, you've gone too far.
Just let Taff handle it for now. But I feel bad for him.
Don't feel bad. I don't trust that weirdo at all.
But still, this is too much.
I still say I don't trust him.
What? He's not fighting back. Just do as you please. I have no other option. I have already betrayed my battalion, and if you don't accept me, I have no
Achoo!
Just go ahead and break me into bits of atoms.
I think he's being serious, guys.
Reina, don't fall for it.
Achoo!
Acting now. That could only mean that he's trying to fool us.
I'm not fooling you. I just think that the plays of the Earthlings are a good way to express my feelings.
Achoo!
I cannot trust you when you're
Achoo!
acting like someone who's unleashed from mainland's
Achoo!
restrictions.
But I'm
Achoo!
not unleashed. The reason that I can act like this
Achoo!
is because I can avoid his restrictions. I enjoy experiencing different personalities in different circumstances. The Earthling ways are really primitive compared to what I can do
One
now.
more.
This is
I think
so
one more will make me.
Look, I have surrendered. Why are you
Bleh.
treating me like this?
Guys, we don't need him now.
Achoo!
We're being unfair to him.
No way. What if he betrays us? What if he goes, I've been acting all along?
Nope. Maybe one
Still,
more.
you know,
That's enough. I don't trust him.
Brandon! It's not easy to trust him under the circumstances. Is there any way to find
We're
out?
blasting off again.
Hey, I
Achoo!
need to say something.
Hey, you!
Bye.
Are you still listening to us?
I think I've got a great idea.
Huh?
Guys, thanks for watching
Prisoner?
again.
Yes. Now, if you do anything
And
hostile,
then
we will
I
destroy you.
really need to
I'm a
sneeze.
prisoner, so I should listen to you.
That's right.
I think this really
I
is
really
a good
need-
idea.
Yes.
Do.
Even if it's from that weird guy.
All right then.
Sneeze.
But I'm
Thanks
already
for
full of energy.
Achoo!
Can you please allow me to go and recharge myself there in the command ship? Absolutely not.
Bye.